All right, we are talking Sociology 4.2, Agents of Socialization. In this component, you are asked to be able to identify the primary agents of socialization and then explain how they socialized you. So let's start with what are the most important. We are going to be talking about peers, the media, family, and education. All right, starting with family, the most important agent in most societies. This is the one that is your first socializing agent. Okay, remember family by blood, marriage, or adoption. All right, now the socialization that takes place is going to vary a little bit. This is going to be a subculture. All right, so it's going to look a little different based on your social class, race, religion. All right, as family is socializing you, there are some deliberate things they want you to know. Okay, so these are oftentimes values. Okay, in our example here, the importance of telling the truth, so the importance of honesty. All right, but remember, you're also constantly watching your family, so there are some unintended socialization happening also. All right, in this example, the child observes the father's lack of politeness to others, right, and so will then take on those same traits or believe that that's okay. All right, so family is so important because these are some of the things that you get from your family, some of the things you can thank them for. Oops. All right, so your self-image, relationships, basic attitudes, internalization of norms, beliefs, values, okay, learning to think and speak both as skills and for yourself. All right, these are some of the reasons why family is so important. All right, and this is also going to be some of the same things that family teaches you that is also taught in education. So education is your second agent of socialization. So up till 5, most all of your socialization is taking place from your family, right? And then once you hit 5, now a lot of that socialization is going to start taking place within a school setting. All right, these are some of the things that you have been socialized from your schooling. All right, so relationships and friendships, rewards and punishments based on your performance, teacher objectively grades, feelings of loyalty, learning the Pledge of Allegiance, liking school colors. Right. Oftentimes, society's future depends on a successful socialization of new members. Right? You have to be able to learn a certain set of knowledge and skills, right, in order to then become functioning members of society. All right, education accomplishes this goal and consists of roles and norms that ensure the transmission of knowledge, values, patterns of behavior from one generation to the next. There's a set curriculum that you have to learn at each grade level. So there's a set of expectations from kindergarten through senior year of things that you should be able to do, things you've been exposed to, practiced, made aware of. All right, because such a large amount of time is spent in school, it's one of the reasons why it is such an important socializer. Teaching academic content and skills, extracurricular activities. All right, and there's also, just like with family, there's the unintended messages still happening. All right, oftentimes sociology will refer to these as the hidden curriculum. So things that are not written in any curriculum document, not part of the Common Core, but things that you are expected to learn within the school setting. Truth from authority. Intelligence is the ability to remember and repeat. Accurate memory and repetition are rewarded. Non-compliance is punished. Conformity, both intellectually and socially. All right, now mass media as an agent of socialization next. All right, so mass media, we are talking about anything that has a large reach. Okay, so we're talking books, films, TV, radio. All right, some stats in terms of how exposed you are to mass media. All right, and those numbers are high. All right, one of the things with media and its socialization is that media both reflects our culture and creates it. So they may promote a product, a mood, an attitude, a sense of what's important, oftentimes in order to sell something, right? And then as that gets internalized in society, it's now reflecting part of what is our culture. And now your peers, okay? Now, Peers have typically the most impact on your socialization from junior high through high school. Okay, it doesn't mean that your peers won't be important at other times in your life. That's just where their opinion tends to matter the most. So the primary group composed of individuals of roughly similar age and social characteristics. To win acceptance, people willingly adopt values and norms. Remember when we talked about groups? Values focus on different subcultures. Okay, so what should we like because we are athletes, or because we are musicians, or because we are artists? All right, so socialization, things when you're a child, it's talking about getting along with others, your morals, okay, your status, the first time you're getting some personal independence. All right, and then that's going to change as you guys get older, right? A lot of that change happens through peer pressure, encouraging certain behaviors,